Hey guys, welcome back to FunDad. Today we're in the FunDad labs, okay? And what we're gonna do is I found a couple of these products at BJ's. And we're gonna try to make a portable wireless Wi-Fi internet camera that we can use to monitor Baby Joy. So we can take this camera around, we can set it up wherever Baby Joy is, and then me, Mom, the au pair, we could walk around with our phone and be able to monitor Baby Joy, okay?
What does monitor mean?
Monitor means watch, okay? So, we got this Panasonic camera, alright, that it has a chip, it records on this micro SD card, it's Wi-Fi. We're going to set this up and see if this works. Now, to make this totally portable, one of the things I'm going to try to do is, these were at BJ's also, we got these 2-pack portable power banks, okay? So what I want to do is be able to use this to power this camera so we can walk it around and carry it everywhere. Well, the other one can charge while one runs the camera and the other one can be on charge. And when that battery pack dies, we can go ahead and keep the camera going, okay? Alright, so let's unbox our Panasonic home monitoring camera, okay? I don't think we need scissors for this part of it, okay? Or maybe, yes, you need to cut this label. Or you can use my pocket knife if you prefer.
Pocket knife, please. Thank you.
Jackson's checking his blood circle, which we learned in Cub Scouts.
I can't. What are you doing, Noah?
Okay. Noah, here. Jack's going to do this. I trust Jack to do that on his own. You and I are going to try to open this, alright? So, here, let's just open one. Start cutting here. You can help. So, cut the scissors on the end. Take it and cut up to there. Got it?
Should I open this?
Yes.
I can't.
And tell everybody what you're seeing as you open.
I see some cardboard.
Is it hard?
I took out one piece of cardboard and this has the instructions. Oh, there's a bottom part.
This is hard. There we go.
Can I do the rest?
Alright.
Ooh.
So pull that cardboard off. So what do we got in here? Our instructions.
Micro. No.
Oh great, this uses a micro USB connector. So we should totally be able to power the camera. This is one of my questions I had. What is the connector that powers the camera? This is micro USB, so we should totally be able to run our camera off our battery pack.
All the cardboard? Just your only eye.
No, you guys are working together.
Then how come that stuff to do one on his own?
Because he's bigger. Alright.
This is the camera.
Our power pack. What? Is this telling us the temperature too? Or is it 64 degrees? No, 75. I guess that's our percentage of power. Let's make sure we don't read.
Should I take this off?
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Wow. Security safe. Security safe. Security safe. Security safe. Security safe. Security safe.
Alright.
Oh, we can put it.
So let's see how easy it is. Is it easy enough for a 10-year-old to set up?
Dad?
Okay.
Yes,
so there should be usually there's something called a quick start guide. Okay.
Quick start guide. Okay.
Yep.
Can we show them the camera? Plug in the camera and wait about 1 minute for the camera's LED to
These are battery.
white and green.
Okay. And here, why don't you read the instructions with the battery packs and see what they can do.
I need help reading. Here? Dad?
I don't know. Where does it show us in the picture?
Oh, it's like pointing to the back. Dad, I need help reading. Gigi, only I read it. Dad, I need help reading.
Well, look at the orientation.
Okay. See the instructions.
Nice and easy.
I don't see the instructions.
Alright.
Download
While you do that, I'm
HomeHawk
gonna
app.
get you an
Download the
extension cord.
HomeHawk. HomeHawk. See the instructions. Dad, you need the app. Download the HomeHawk app, then tap its icon to start the app. We can't do that.
Okay.
Until that sets it up. Dad downloads it. Dad, I can't find the constructions. Dad, I can't find constructions. There's only one. There's only two. There's only one. One.
I thought there was two.
Is that on?
It is, and I guess it's got this battery.
Dead.
Well, this one came 81%, and this one seems to be 64%. It seems like we pressed the power button. It shows us how much charge it is. That's a pretty cool feature.
Okay. Now,
go. So here, we're going to...
I typed in the whole... Sorry, this page can't be found.
Huh. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Panasonic HomeHawk. Android, search for... Here, Android, search for Panasonic HomeHawk. Oh, so here, we're going to go on the Play Store. Okay. And we'll go here and here. Let's try the voice search. Press the microphone and say Panasonic HomeHawk.
Everybody be quiet.
Yeah.
Panasonic HomeHawk. Panasonic HomeHawk. There.
All right.
Click it.
Yep.
Install.
Yep.
Look at that. Pizza guy.
All right.
Can I see? Pizza guy.
So step one, prepare the camera. Plug in the camera and wait for 1 minute for the LED light to turn green.
Oh,
Okay.
LED!
I just brought up the green cord.
Dad, I can always send LED button. LED.
Okay. So plug that.
Oh, sorry. Open.
Plug it in. Yep.
No, it says open.
Well, the app says open. We're gonna
Where's
start.
the LED light?
Click open. Yes. We're not going to try to run it off the battery pack yet. We're going to install it using the AC
LED
power
light?
adapter, and then we will try our power bank to see if that will run the camera, and then test to see how long it runs the camera and things like that.
Where's the LED
I accept.
light?
Accept.
Dad, where's the LED
Allow.
light?
We're just going through all the settings.
I can't find the LED light.
Well, look for the little light. I don't. There it is. Here it is. There's the light.
Yes, it's like taking a minute. Here's the location where your device location. United States.
Yep. Go.
United States, right?
Yep. Click OK.
Next.
Yep.
Oh, there are others. There are other devices. Look at.
Right.
Select the type of device.
Which one does it look like we have?
This one.
Yep.
Plug in the HD camera. Wait about a minute until. Okay, we already did that. We did step 2.
Okay. What color is the LED?
It is green.
Okay. So what do you think we do next?
Add this mobile.
Hold on. Read from the top down.
Plug in the HD camera and wait about a minute until LED turns to the following colors. What color is the LED indicator? Green. Set up the HD camera. Cut off that part. Blue and white. Add this mobile device. What do we do? What?
Okay. What color is the LED?
Green.
Okay. That's a button there.
Oh. Are we? Okay, yes. Okay.
Yep.
Click this. No, okay. Click this.
I don't think that's something to click.
Okay.
Connecting to our wireless home set. Okay.
Set up. Where's the... Oh, set up here. Should I press the setup button? Press the setup button until the HD camera beeps. 1 second. The LED indicator will blink in green. Should I?
Yes, follow the instructions, please.
There. It blinks. Next. Press like.
Is there a next?
What?
Oh, you got into my Samsung sidebar
What?
swipe. Yeah. Maybe. Is it blinking green? It's blinking green.
Yes, it's blinking.
Yeah. I'm like you. I'm kind of lost what we do in the app next.
What?
Okay. Hey, JJ, can you go over here? Or go sit in this chair, please.
I'm tired of sitting in the back.
Okay.
I cannot see how to touch me.
All right. So what do we do? Follow the on-screen instructions.
Why don't I have to sit in the back? Because No, I'm not.
Okay. When prompted, press the setup button. The LED will blink.
I don't want to sit in the back.
iPhone, iPad, Android users, skip this step. Okay, we're skipping that step. You were up front for Alien. You're going to sit here for this, okay?
Okay.
All right?
We are so sorry. FunDad will take the rest of the song. I'm sorry for it.
All right, let's see. Let me turn my phone on. One thing I learned with my Galaxy Note 9, if I just press the fingerprint, it gets me to where we
Where's
are.
the fingerprint?
It's on the back here.
Oh,
It gets me to where we were. I was making a big mistake with my phone earlier. I would press the power button. It would bring me to the home screen, and then that would totally mess up with from where I was.
Then we would be back
right
to
there.
step 0.
Okay, so now this says your HD camera is ready to connect to your phone.
I didn't see it.
Or I'm sorry, your HD camera is ready to connect to your home network, Homestead. Enter the password for that network. So I gotta enter my password.
No, get out of the way.
Oh, I see. It's that rectangle, right?
Should we not let the fans see this?
Yeah, I'm not gonna share that. If you come visit us, we'll of course share our Wi-Fi password.
Yeah.
Now connecting. We're connecting your camera to both your network and this mobile device. This can take up to 4 minutes. Okay.
4 minutes.
So we're just gonna let this go. Hey Noah, get my phone holster on top of there.
We'll be it'll be 5 minutes
top
and
of the
30
bookcase.
seconds when we're back to you.
Do. This, of course, stuff. No, my phone holster.
This is
Thank
now the
We're gonna cut this stuff out.
intermission.
We're not gonna make people watch for 4 minutes, okay? Unless JJ's gonna dance for 4 minutes, or like somebody's gonna tell jokes. Okay.
Doggy.
Those are cards for the camera.
I got this at the mission fair at St. Mary's. Megan colored this elephant herself. I got this doggy.
How come I didn't get to color one?
Cause you didn't go to that booth.
I wanted
I didn't even know it was there.
Now connecting.
to. Me too.
Okay, step 6. Read this, Jack.
Step 6. If prompted, enter the password for your next wireless router and then tap next.
Yep. 7.
When prompted, press the setup button on the back of the camera.
Okay, when prompted. All right.
When prompted. Did we do step 6
So
already?
they didn't tell us when to add this card yet. Because with this card, you know what this will do with this card?
It'll save it all in here just like the camera.
Exactly. It'll record it to the camera. Yep.
Try to cut it.
So that's why if something
Is this
happened.
going to be like the house cameras?
Sorry. Dad, no.
Okay, that's Spanish. Can you read these in Spanish yet?
This goes, Panasonic HomeHawk.
Very
Yes, Panasonic HomeHawk. Panasonic HomeHawk.
good. That's about the Spanish I know also.
Panasonic HomeHawk. We
Wait, hey, we got new instructions. We got a new screen.
Oh,
We got a new screen.
Good.
We got a new screen. Follow the instructions.
Press the setup button.
Read all the instructions before you do it.
Press the setup button on the camera for 1 second and wait until the login screen appears here.
It's blue.
Press and hold for 1 second.
The
Right?
light's blue. No, it's red.
Oh, that's why I pressed it
Okay.
that.
Create login
It's
password.
blue. The light's blue.
Okay.
The light is
Okay.
blue, Dad.
Okay, let's read the instructions.
No.
The password will be required
It's blue.
when adding another mobile device to
JJ,
the
yeah.
HD camera. Okay,
Dad,
that's
the
okay.
light's blue. That is the light
Alright.
blue. No,
Red.
it's green.
Guys, can you get out of the way? We
No,
can't.
it's
The
only
fans can't
blue.
see. Guys,
It's only blue.
let's just.
Okay,
Guys,
give
yeah.
the,
No, it's
give
red.
this
No, it's blue.
give this mobile
That's
device
red and blue.
a nickname. Okay, I'm gonna
Let's
name
call this
this.
baby cam.
I'm gonna name this
Baby cam.
this mobile device.
Scott Wiley.
This is the mobile device.
Oh.
I'm gonna name this SW
But this is called baby cam, right?
N9, okay? Because this is Scott Wiley's Note 9, okay? Because there's probably completed. HD setup completed.
What about the camera? Are we going to
Okay,
call the camera
let's
baby
take a
cam?
look at the camera. New firmware for the... Whoa! Oh, it was showing us the camera's video feed. Okay. Update in progress. Do not disconnect the power. It'll take about 10 minutes to wait. This is one of the reasons why I went on AC power before testing my battery pack. Because I really don't know. I didn't do the math calculation. Of course, we can look up what's the milliamp requirement for the camera. Divide that by the milliamp hours that the battery can provide. And we can do the math on how long the camera can run. We will do that math. And maybe we'll do that math while this setup is going on. So.
Time loop.
Okay. So our camera finished updating, and we're back to the HomeHawk app. So Jack, click. Let's try our indoor HD camera. I'm sure we can change that name later.
We're gonna name it probably.
Okay,
It to
we'll
baby
click
cam,
HD
right?
camera. Please wait.
We're probably gonna name it baby cam. Right?
Please wait. Oh, we're getting a loop. Let me turn down the volume.
That is screechy.
So even though I went to silent mode, it's messing up. There we go. I found the button. There's a little button here to stop the feedback from coming through your phone. All right. So that image actually looks pretty good. Okay. All right. Let's take your photo. Take recording. Looks like it can talk too. Let's see. Let's check the talk.
Oh, just like the.
Hello. Hey, baby. You're okay. Daddy loves you. We'll come. I'm coming right up. All right. That looks pretty cool. All right. So let's install our memory card.
Which one?
There's a slot on the side I saw.
It's here. It's actually small enough for the smaller one.
Yes, that big one is an adapter to put it into your house.
Computer.
Yep.
Okay.
So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna power down the camera. Okay. Put in the micro SD card. Oh, you guys found the second cable.
Yeah.
I told you there was 2 cables in the kit, didn't I?
Yeah. I told you.
I told you.
That black thing.
It's a card, so it will record stuff to the card.
Dad, is this how?
We'll have to
Was
figure
the
out how to
letters
set up.
going forward or other?
I don't know. It'll click in. I'm not sure. So there's all sorts of settings to set up to this.
Dad,
Okay,
Dad,
and we'll read
look
the
at
instructions. So if it doesn't snap in,
Dad,
Must be the other way.
okay. If it doesn't go down and snap in, it's the wrong way. So use the tip of your finger now. There you go. Now you got it. Okay. Thank you for watching so much. Please like our Facebook page. Okay, facebook.com/myfundad. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, MyFunDad on YouTube. We have Instagram, Pinterest. Please subscribe and like to all those. Give us lots of love. We thank you so much. On Twitter also. Thank you for reminding me, Jack. Having lots of fun with this. Please like our channels. Thank you. Bye. Everybody say bye.
Baby joy.